Samoa's government, led by first female Prime Minister Fiame Naomi Mataafa, has fallen after Parliament rejected the 2025-2026 budget on the first reading in a highly expected session this morning. The outcome is the latest in months of a political uncertainty, with questions over the legality of Fiame leading a minority government. In a ministerial statement at the start of this morning's parliamentary session, Fiame said that, as in convention, the defeat of a government budget is regarded an issue of confidence in the government. She also warned that if her government falls, she will advise for the parliament to be dissolved. The budget was voted out by a vote of 16 for and 34 against. Parliament has adjourned as notice will be given to the head of state as the country awaits the next step in the latest political development. It is the second time in Samoa's 63 years of independence that a government fell when the budget was voted out. The first was in December 1982, when the Tupuola Efi-led government's budget was rejected on first reading.